If you are selling on Amazon, you know that finding product that actually sell can be tricky. You can spend hours to searching, scrolling and guessing and still end up with product that don't make any money. That's exactly why so many sellers love the Helium10's black box. It's a tool designed to help you to find winning product, and today we are going to see how it works and why it could save a lot of time and the frustration. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If you have not subscribed yet, hit the button now and don't forget to check the description for the link to Helium10 free trial and the special deals. So what exactly is the black box? Think of it as a product research engine for Amazon. Instead of guessing or trying random product, you can use the black box to filter thousands of listings based on the exact criteria that matter most, like the pricing, sales volume, number of review, ratings, and even the keyword people are searching for. Basically, it helps you to find the product that have real potential to make money. Another feature sellers love is the niche search. You can explore different categories and see which one are trending or have the less competition. This helps you to find hidden opportunities that other sellers might miss. It's perfect if you are just starting out or if you want to expand your Amazon store without taking too many risks. Once you find the potential product, you can dive deeper into each one. Helium10 shows you estimated sales, revenue and trends over the time, so you can make informed decision before investing any money. This means you are not just guessing, you are using data to guide your business and reduce the mistake. Black box also work well with other Helium10 tools. You can check the keywords, you can track the competitor, or even you can optimize your listing once you decide which product to sell. It's like having full research and a marketing toolkit all in one place. So in short, Helium10's black box helps the Amazon sellers to find the profitable product faster and smarter. It takes the guesswork out of the product research, help you to discover niche and give you the data you need to make confident decision. Whether you are just starting out or scaling your business, it's a tool that can save you hours of time and increase your chance of success. If you want to try Helium10 black box for yourself, check the link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel and like this video. I will see you in the next video.